Liberation of Paris. On August 25, 1944, the capital of France, Paris, was officially liberated after 4 years of Nazi occupation, in an event that symbolized the resurrection of French honor and the beginning of the end of the Third Reich in Western Europe. The liberation was the climax of an insurrection initiated days earlier by the French resistance, FFI, and the Parisian police, who went on strike and erected barricades in the streets. American General Dwight D. Eisenhower initially planned to bypass Paris to avoid a bloody urban battle, but was convinced by French General Charles de Gaulle to send the French 2nd Armored Division, commanded by General Philippe Leclerc, to aid the insurgents who were running out of ammunition. The battle for Paris was marked by intense personal drama involving the German military governor, Dietrich von Clotitz. Hitler had explicitly ordered that Paris should not fall into enemy hands, or, if it did, it should be found as a field of ruins, demanding the destruction of bridges and historical monuments like the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre. Clotitz, realizing the futility of the war and the insanity of the order, refused to destroy the City of Light, formally surrendering at the Hôtel Meurice. That afternoon, Charles de Gaulle entered the city and delivered his famous speech at the Hôtel de Ville. Paris outraged, Paris broken, Paris martyred, but Paris liberated. Although German snipers were still active on rooftops during the victory parade on the Champs-Élysées the next day, the liberation of August 25 was an explosion of national joy. The event had not only strategic importance, but moral importance, restoring France as an allied power and erasing the humiliation of the 1940 surrender. Leave a comment if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.